Hello friends, welcome back and today we will be making a calculator on Scratch 2.0. So let's start. First of all, we have to delete the Scratch sprite. Now we have to take a rectangular shape for as our calculator. Rectangle, second option, and I'm taking green color. Then and now we have to take our three variables. The first and do not forget to do it for all sprites. Num number one, number two, and result. Okay, the variables are done, and now we have to take these variables inside the calculator. Okay, and now our first code will be when green flagged, flag clicked, set result to 0, set numbers 2 to 0, and set number 1 to 0. Okay, so this thing means that when we click the green flag, all the values in our variables will set to 0. Now we have to click two times on each variable. So you get a scrolling bar. The maximum value is 100. Done. And now we have to make our four sprites, that are the numerical operations. And the fourth circle done. Now we have to draw the operations. First square, have to draw the addition sign. Wait a second, there's one mistake. Okay, first it's the addition sign. Now in the second figure, the subtraction sign. The third figure, the multiplication sign. And in the fourth picture, the division sign. Done. Now we have to do the code for all these sprites. Okay, so events when this sprite click data set result to operator is the addition operator data number 1 added to number 2, number 1 added to number 2. Okay, done. Set result to this. Okay, This is about the addition, and then now we have to do the for the subtraction. Even when this sprite clicked data set result to operator, the subtraction operator, and then number 1 and subtracted by number 2. Done. And the multiplication one events when this sprite clicked data set result to operators, multiplication operator number one add must I multiply to number 2, and in the division operator set result to 0 when this sprite clicked when this sprite clicked division operator for data number 1 divided by number 2. Okay guys, so we have made our calculator. Thank you for watching this video. And before before ending this video, we will do some tests to see if the calculator is working right. Okay, first we clicked. Let's see if it can add correctly. Yeah, subtraction 400. Let's see if it can add correctly. Yes, and let's see if it can divide the. Okay, yes, so our calculator works correctly. Thank you guys for watching this video.